Hello everyone, this is Kelly Tapp with Tap Into Real Estate. I'm at my open house Sunday, June 3rd from 1 to 4. I wanted to show you really quick, just a little peek because I want you to come by and see it in person. It looks even better in person. You have this remodeled kitchen. Beautiful, beautiful details. They picked very, very high quality products to put in their kitchen. And you have a large backyard. This is a beautiful area of Los Altos. There are great schools in this neighborhood, close to freeways, close to Cal State Long Beach. If you're interested in this property, it's offered at $759. And I'm here till 4, so come by and see it, and we can talk about this property or any other property that you have questions about. So if you want to come by, stop by. If you don't have time, my number is 562-279-4979, and I'm here to help you tap into real estate. Thank you.